Right, threading this Kenmore Mini Ultra. It's just like the IKEA machine we had, or I had earlier. So there's the fold-out spool pin on the back, this guide at the rear of the machine. It goes down through the tensioner, under this pickup hook, through the take-up arm, down to the guide on the needle bar clamp, and then the machine threads from front to back. Just like the IKEA machine, the bobbin loads in the front area here, and you want your bobbin to be, when you place it in the case and you tug it, the bobbin unwinds clockwise and comes out under the spring here. And make sure that whatever your bobbin case looks like, the thread comes out between these fingers so it stays under the spring where it's properly tensioned. Bobbin winding for this machine is also just like the IKEA. The bobbin winder is here, it pops into place, and then the hand wheel snaps out to release the machine and pops in to drive the machine. The bobbin winding tension button is right here. So to bobbin wind, spool pin on the back, guide here, around this tension button, and over to the winder.